In this video, I am transitioning this St. Valentine's Day beverage bar into a St. Patrick's Day beverage bar. So if you want to check that out, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women to make wise home health and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. Or if you want to see reviews about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe, because I do videos about those topics all the time. So hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I'll link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, let's jump into it. Biddy Boo Brown has issued an open invitation, a challenge, so to speak, for us to transition from Valentine's Day to St. Patrick's Day. And in this particular challenge, she really only had 3 very simple rules. One is that we had to have a leprechaun. We needed to include shamrocks. We also needed to have a pot of gold and something with birds on it, a plaque or something like that. That's it. That's all we needed. So I thought I would go ahead and do that. So let me first off get the counter washed up, and then I will get things switched over. So let's get it started. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove my Valentine's Day decor. My little love mugs. And this little hot chocolate mug that says hot chocolate is like a hug from the inside. And I'm liking that little heart there, but it's time for it to go. And I think I'll just go ahead and take everything off the counter and clean it up, and I'll get my St. Patrick's Day decor in place. I've got some Caldrea countertop spray in sea salt and neroli. I'll use that. I picked this up from a Grove Collaborative. And I really like the fresh, clean scent of it. Now here are the goodies that I plan to use. Shamrocks, gold coins. Here's my little leprechaun. This is going to be my pot of gold, and I did take the handle off of it. Here's my plaque or something with words on it. And I just thought this was cute. I got this at the Dollar Tree. This at the Dollar Tree. These came from Joann's, as did the leprechaun. And my tray came from Hobby Lobby. I think I'm going to use this cloth for at the bottom of the tray. I like the green and the gold that are in it. So here is my St. Patty's Day beverage bar. You can see right here I put my Ray Dunn mug that just says enjoy. And then over here I've got a sugar bowl. And then in the creamer I just put some green tea. Since it's St. Patrick's Day and we're thinking all things green, here is some premium green tea. And then in the back is some chai green tea. So there's that. Here's my pot of gold. And then right here you can see my leprechaun, and he's guarding his pot of gold. And there's a few little coins down here. And then here's a big leprechaun hat. Back here are just some coffee syrups. This is vanilla, and this is the salted caramel, which I love. My St. Patrick's Day sign, and then of course hot chocolate packets. So there's my St. Patrick's Day beverage bar. Functional, small, but practical. So here's my question for you. What's your favorite part on this beverage bar? Is it the nice cute little leprechaun, or is it the pot of gold, or is it the leprechaun sign in the back? Tell me about it in the comment section below. Now let me take this opportunity to thank Dana at Bitty Boo Brown for hosting this challenge. If you are not familiar with Dana, I will link her channel below so that you can get to know her. She does some really fun things over there, and I think you will like what she does. And then also, one of the reasons why I was so keen about setting up a beverage bar for St. Patrick's Day is because I had the ultimate gift on St. Patrick's Day. I got my first grandson on St. Patrick's Day. His name is CJ, and he is our little Irishman because every St. Patrick's Day we celebrate his birthday.
You would not be free.
I really am.
No, you're not.
So on St. Patrick's Day, we celebrate his birthday. So the one thing that I don't have in my beverage bar yet, but which will be here, is a picture of CJ because he is our resident Irishman. So now here's my question for you. What part of this functional but practical beverage bar do you like the best? Is it this cute little leprechaun, or it's the pot of gold, or is it the green tea? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, it's Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video. You couldn't refrain for a second of throwing something on the floor, making a big thump.
No.